Well, stop. Welcome to Real Chef YouTube channel. Today we are going to make multi-cereal bread rolls. This is straight from me. Let's see. These are the ingredients: all-purpose flour, corn oil, whole egg, dry yeast, salt, bread improver, seed mix, and butter unsalted. Corn oil we will add at last. So we are going to mix in now 350 cold water, 3 minutes slow speed, after 7 minutes high speed. Now my dough is ready, so I am going to rest in chiller 1 hour. After 1 hour you can shape the bread. Now my dough is already chilled, so we are take out now. Now we are going to sheet the dough. So you can see Chef Madam today helping me for this. Because this dough is soft, so you make chill, it's easy to handle for you. We are going to cut the bread now. You can see it's nice shape. If you don't have a dough sheeter, no problem, you can do it by your hand. You can see. You see, even without dough sheeter. Now we are going to apply the seed topping. Looks how we are doing. You can see all the seeds stick very nicely. So now we are going to put in the prover. All the baking from today, Chef Mother will see how is his result. Almost 40 minutes we keep in the prover, 27 Celsius. Now our bread is ready, so we are going to bake now. One time steam, temperature 210, 10 minutes. Now our bread is ready, so we'll see how's the Chef Madam result. Wow, this looks delicious. Look at the bread. You can see it's soft, very nice for sandwich. Let's test how. Very soft, very nice. Thank you very much for watching for my video. If you have any doubt, please write in comment section. I will reply you. If you feel this video is interesting and if you can learn something, please subscribe so someone can learn. So thank you very much. We will go next video, rock and roll.